Okay, so in this video, I would like to introduce a STATA command called egen. Sometimes we say the full name for this command is egenerate, but you can just type egen. And this command can help you to create new variable based on some summary measures. And this is particularly useful when you have individual level data, but sometimes you might want to generate a variable that are based on some aggregate level, for example, state level, year level, and you can direct use this egen command to generate such variable that can provide summary measure based on the aggregate level. So for example, you want to generate a new variable that is sum up all wage income by year. So you can just say egen and the variable name that this is a new variable and use their function. The egenerate has a lot of function. One is called total. Total basically is sum up all these all the variable by year. So if they are in the same year, they will sum up this variable and give this to the new variable. Okay. So you can, there are a lot of functions you can use. You can just help egen and to see what kind of function you can use. Okay. And so the format is like egen, and you will create a new variable and what kind of function and the variable you want to based on that variable you want to generate. Okay, so there are many, and I just give you several examples to let you know how to use it. So this is the command, so you can you can generate this new variable egen, and you will generate a new variable, and you can see the variable looks like this, very large number, because this just sum up over wage income by year. So it vary by year. Okay. And another example could be use min function. This gives you the average of this variable by state. So you may want to generate the state average income, and you want to compare individual income with this income. So you can do that. So the output could like this, but if you are in the same state connected, they generate a new variable, give you the average wage income for that variable. And you can also use another called group function that basically will generate a numerical ID for state and county. Okay. So each particular state and county combination will have one number, one specific number. Okay. Okay. So you can implement this. For example, here is the mean. You want to generate average state income, and you can get this. This is changed by state level. The same state will have this exact wage income, average wage income by state. And okay, another example is, okay, so this just help you to understand. So the variable we generate, state variable, the same state, the average wage. Each state have their average wage. Okay, and you can compare with individual wage if you want. So there are several other functions. Count is try to calculate number of the ID. how many ID you have. So the output will like this. No. So the ID is, our sample size is 60,000, so it's give you 60,000. Okay, and here's I have just mentioned before, and diff is another function that try to help you to check, generate a new variable, help you to check whether these two variables are the same or not. If they are the same, it's 1, not the same. If they are different, it's 1. If they are the same, 0. Okay. So the output will like this. You generate a new variable called diff v, and if they are different, these two variables are different, it's 1. If they are the same, they will become 0. Okay. So there are a lot of functions you can use. An egen command is also useful if your data is in long format. For example, you want to find the difference in the individual's income and the maximum income within the specific state. You can apply generate this command to achieve this goal. So how can you do that? So first you generate a new variable called temp1 is equal to wage. Okay? And then you generate another variable called temp2 and it's maximum of the temp1 maximum. So basically this is another function from egen that gives you the maximum wage income, maximum temp1, and it's based on the state. Within the state, pick up one number is maximum wage. Okay, and then you generate a new variable called temp3 that is individual's wage minus temp2. That temp2 is you generate. Then you can get such result. Looks like this. Okay, the temp3 is your individual wage and the state maximum wage, their difference. That's the temp3. So maybe you want to do that. So you can apply the egen to a lot of situations that depends on your applications.